Hello guys, my name is Victor and today is another episode of my backtesting series. Today is episode 9 or 10, I'm not really sure. But yeah, we just finished our first week. So we're now on Monday, 12th May 2025. Yeah, let's jump right into it. So first we need to look at daily bias once again. And as I saw earlier, it's very interesting because this is, I'm gonna show you. This is called the new week's opening gap, and it is pretty pretty big right here. We're not gonna come down to it because that's like what 500 points, which is nearly impossible in 1 hour of New York session. But still, this day we have been very bullish. And I don't know what to think of it. Maybe this is our manipulation move. We can go back down after that, but we have this big FVG right here. I mean, here, I'm just gonna put this line here so it isn't making too much trouble in my chart. Okay, nothing to see here, just up candles, on the hourly. Yeah, we went up a bit and now we slowed down, so we're just chopping now, yeah. We have some equal lows here and here as well. We're not gonna target our days low because it's somewhere down here. It's not really possible. We could though, like maybe target this or something, like tap this FVG and go back up, or go up at the start and look for a retracement entry, Yeah, equal lows here. We broke this FVG, nothing happened. Yeah, on the 5 minute, I don't know if there's anything more. Maybe this high, probably gonna get swept in the first minute. So yeah, let's see. First candle's just gonna be, yeah, exactly. First candle's always like really big compared to the other ones, and some time before. So what is it? It's like 50 points in one candle. I'm gonna take these lows out because I already took them. Yeah, we took all of these equal lows. I wouldn't be surprised if we just go straight back up after that, like not in the next minute. But damn, this FG is, I don't know if we're gonna inverse that. Okay, I'm just gonna delete that. We have some lows here as well that we can take. Is there really anything to? Yeah, we probably could take them before going back up again. Let's see. Tap this FVG, went straight back down. Again, see, FVGs are holding really nicely. Price went into it, went back down again, and we really want to take this low. Yeah, exactly. And on this candle, we did, and we left this FVG. So if we inverse that, did we inverse it? Is it at least one tick? It's really not. That's just 0.1 of a tick. So I'm not gonna. Yeah, exactly. If I entered here, I would have just lost in a minute. So that's not really good. Hello, I'm back. I didn't have enough space on my computer, so I had to delay the makings of this video. So it's sadly didn't come out on Saturday, and yeah, but let's just continue. I just have to remember what happened here before. We had some equal highs, price went lower, we swept this low, and we are in a 15-minute or like a 1 hour as well. FVG probably, yeah. So it is a good time for a reversal, maybe, you know. Let's see. Okay, we had this this FPG. Let's see. Is this at least one tick? 696, 695. Yeah, I think I will enter here. I wanted to just target this. I think it's a bit too low though. Like the risk to reward is, it's not great. Yeah, 0.048, or maybe this high, but I don't know. Again, it's too big. Yeah, I would target this FEG, but I would need to see retracement first. Yeah. So again, if I got this entry on a live account, would I have entered here? Yeah, probably. This would be a good entry. Sorry, unluckily I can't really. Yeah, cause yeah, I'm not on a live account. It's just a backtesting one. Yeah, I can delete that now. And again, I couldn't have targeted this high, you know, because the price just, I don't know how it's gonna react off of this FEG, you know. So that's why you should make trades like this. Oh, sorry, like this with even with a 0.8 risk to reward. You can even set this, like, if you even want to have one-to-one, set it here. Because if I set my TP here, I would have just get, you know, stopped out. Or not. Or like, oh wait, I wouldn't. But still, you know, it's better not to for the future. Let's see. Do we have anything? Oh, I wouldn't. Yeah, it's too choppy for me now. Like the price is just going up, and this FEG, I don't think it's valid because it was tapped like 4 times already. So I'm not gonna take an entry off of that. Yeah, let's see. Okay, we inverse this FEG, and now let's see. Long position. Let's target this FEG. Set this as our stop loss. Or even this. Okay. Yeah, let's just analyze this trade for a second. I don't know if I like it because we swept. Was it here or where? Where was it? Here. Do it like blue so it's easier to look at it. We swept price here. We went back up again. We inverse this. I don't really. I'm not sure. We just got 7 straight blue candles. Okay. Damn. It's a hard one. Because after that, there's not gonna be any entry because it's just FEGs here. This is probably the last. You know what? I'll just enter. You know, it's 15 points. Let's say 15. Yeah, let's risk to 44. Nice. Okay, 1 minute. Perfect TP. And if I set my TP anywhere else, I would have just got really just crushed. Like, this is the perfect TP. 1 minute, 215 profit again. Yeah, that's easy profit for me. Just easy money. Okay, we did inverse this FEG now, and this one. Did we do? Wait, let me see. 713. Not really, but I would count this as a sweep. Okay, let's see this trade. If I short it here, semi-stop here, and then I'm not really sure what this is for, and then semi. Oh, I can't enter. Yeah, this is another rule of my, not my, but like the strategy I use is if we tap an opposing FEG and we don't close below or above it, I can't enter. Because now price reacted off of it, and you know it can even just go straight back up. That's why I'm just not gonna enter here. Yeah, okay. We broke it now. Now would be a good time, I guess. Short position here, semi-stop here, TP here at the swing low. Let's think about it. We have 0.75. This is almost good. Almost a good risk to reward. I'm thinking about it because we reacted off of this FPG, tapped it perfectly, and then went back down. We closed below 1, 2, and now 3 FPGs, as we see here. And then price is really bearish for now. Okay. Yeah, but it's gonna have to be a little bit small trade for me. 250 risk to earn 194. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Damn. Okay. Let's see what price did after that. Nothing really useful. Yeah, that's unlucky. Yeah, we swept this low here and it went back up again. So yeah, that's that, you know. Can't win all them trades. Yeah, I wasn't sure about this one, but, you know, happens. Is there anything else to do? I could take this as a continuation trade, I guess. That would be my last trade for sure. And target this high and semi stop here at this, at the low of this FEG. That's 22 points. Yeah, let's just 15 buy, stop loss here, 250, take profit 330. Okay, that's good. It's because we did sweep some lows here, went back up, down, and then this is other continuation trade confirmation. Sweeping this big FPG. Oh, there's a lot of things on my chart now. Can delete some, so it's easier to look at. I'm talking about this FPG now. This big one, yeah. Yeah. So I think let's see. Okay, plus 115. I think I'll move my stop at the low of this FPG now. Do I still wanna? Okay, you know what? I'll take half of. Oh, that's only $65 though. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Really close. I'm not really sure what to do. Let's just. Oh, we're so close. Damn. I think I'm just gonna move my stop to break even, and now I have a risk-free trade, and we got stopped out. Okay. So that's a nothing trade. What could I have done different? Let's see. This is at 766, and this is at, yeah. So I also have this one rule where I should set my, oh, I didn't know I could do that.
I should set my take profit one tick below a high, you know. So for example, I would set it 155.9. Yeah, in this example, it would have worked like literally perfectly. No, not this one. Yeah, like literally here, you know. So that sometimes price just wants to leave equal highs or equal lows, and in trades like that, I don't go break even. I just win the whole trade. That's the difference between it, and I don't really care about the 1 point, you know. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for me today. So the thing I'll learn is I will probably just set my TP a tick below, because I mean, it probably saves, I don't know, 1 in 10 trades, but in those 1 in 10, like, there's really plus EV, as some people would say it. I'm just gonna click maybe for two more seconds. No, I'm not entering here. Okay, this would be a good trade, but nah, there's no delivery. Yeah, exactly. Price just went straight back down. Yeah, so that's one tick. Damn. And I don't know if I should have. Let me know in the comments if you think I should have took half my profits here. Because on one side, yes, I mean, I'm securing profits. It can be bad, but like, I don't know if I care about like $60 on a 50k account, or even $80 or 100. I would rather probably just go break even or win all of it, you know. And this trade was, yeah, I don't think it was good, just because I don't see a reason why we should have continued downwards. We already swept this low. We were in a opposing FVG, and naturally kind of took it because we inversed this FVG. Yeah, so this trade was actually, I think I know why it got stopped out. First, I didn't target this low, and I targeted this one, which was not that bad, you know, but like, I just shouldn't have taken this trade because price already swept this, and it had no reason, no like actual reason to sweep it another time, if you know what I mean. And this was a good trade, I would say, like, because we already swept this, less some equal lows, but you know, it's not really anything like super worth to look at. And then we inverse this FVG, and yeah, I just missed by one tick, but I still didn't lose from the trade. I just went break even. So that's that. Yeah, and thanks everybody for watching, and see you next time. Yo.